Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make whipped cream in a grinder. Chill the grinder bowl and beaters for 15 minutes, then pour 1 cup of cold, heavy cream into the bowl. Start on low speed to avoid splashing, then increase to medium as the cream thickens. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar and 1 teaspoon vanilla when soft peaks form, then whip to desired stiffness. Begin with everything cold. Cream, bowl, and beaters chilled improves aeration and speed. Pour measured cream into the grinder and start on low to prevent splatter, then gradually raise speed as bubbles form. Sweeten and flavor when soft peaks appear to ensure even distribution. Watch closely near firm peaks. Stop early if you want dollops or whip longer for stiffer peaks. Clean up promptly to avoid hardened residue. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite makes reading recipes in any kitchen easy, with adjustable light and long battery life, perfect for messy countertops. It's compact and waterproof, so you can keep your cookbook handy without worry. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If the cream breaks or curdles, try folding in a tablespoon of cold cream while stirring gently. This can restore texture. For sweeter whipped cream, use 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar per cup and add vanilla or citrus zest for brightness. If the mixture stays too soft, continue whipping for short bursts and check peaks often. Remember that temperature and patience are the keys to consistent, light whipped cream.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.